Welcome to Archiesense. This tiny house on wheels, designed for an artist and her daughter, embraces the serene beauty of a cork oak forest. The exterior features charred Japanese cedar for a striking, durable look, while large thermowood openings provide panoramic views, natural light, and a seamless transition between interior and nature. The interior of the home emphasizes function and aesthetics. The living room serves as the main area with versatile seating and large windows for a connection with nature. An elegant sleeping loft is accessed via an exotic wood staircase, while the kitchen and bathroom are designed concisely with birch plywood. Portuguese pine floors add warmth, creating a cozy atmosphere that blends with the natural surroundings.